Welcome to the video on database on cloud. John and his team won the competition and successfully secured funding to take their strategy to the next level. And the first thing John upgraded wasn't the chairs, it was the database. He moved it from his old laptop to the cloud. Now the whole team could access the data from anywhere. It was faster too. The cloud servers crunched big queries in seconds. Backups? Automated. No more worrying about a crashing laptop or lost files. Security also got a boost with logins, user roles, and activity tracking built in. And best of all, the setup could grow with the team without needing a rebuild. What started as a solo mission became a team project and then a startup. Each step came with a better way to store, access, and manage data. There's no best database, just the best one for where you are right now. So here's what we learned. File-based databases are perfect when you're starting out. But when teamwork and scale kick in, server-based and cloud-hosted databases shine. And thanks to tools like SQL Alchemy, moving between them is smoother than you'd think.